Hey guys, Jake here with GMP Performance. It's a beautiful Monday morning here in Charlotte, North Carolina. We're gonna head into the shop and see what's going on. What are you doing over here?
Supercharging an M3.
What are you doing?
Supercharging an M3.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What kind of supercharger?
ESS kit.
ESS kit. What are we putting this on the Instagrams, Frankie? Look at that.
And then I'm also doing rod bearings.
Rod bearings?
Yep.
So you decided to do those second?
I'm gonna do those second just to make sure that all these supercharger parts fit properly. And if they don't, we can order something that fits and get it corrected. So.
Gotcha.
Listen, blue skies. Sunshine. Listen, blue skies. Yeah. Listen, that I'm crying. Sunshine. Yeah. That I'm crying. Tears. I gotta cry with her, with my future. Tears. I gotta cry. Pain. Sunshine. Blue skies. Sunshine. I gotta cry. Day after day, let it rain. Yeah. Tears. I gotta cry with her, with my future. Tears. I gotta cry. Pain. Yeah. Day after day, let it rain. Yeah. Sunshine. Blue skies. But I wish it would rain. Yeah. Rain, rain.